Test, 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 test. Test, test. Test, test. Alright. Got some issue with the audio there. Right. Okay, everything's set up, hopefully. So let's start the stream then. Alright, stream started. We already know YouTube chat is working, so let's test Twitch chat. There you go. Alright. Let me drink a bit. Alright. Welcome back to another stream. This is the third stream I've done this week, and yeah, overall this new stream schedule seems to be doing well. Well, I do get a lot more tired maybe because overthinking it a bit, like what should I do stream and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, maybe I'll do another like free stream weekend, make this like new schedule. Wait, I don't know. Feeling a bit tired today because I can't sleep last night. Maybe I should call it off, not stream today, but this is Saturday. It is my usual stream schedule, so I can't really like leave it as is. So yeah, but that also means that this stream will be a shorter one. I won't be streaming as long. Anyway, other than that, what should I say? Oh man. Okay, let's not waste any more time and just start doing stuff. Did you not sleep? But I can. That's a problem I've been dealing for a long time. Is that I don't know, maybe I have insomnia, where it's difficult for me to sleep at night. Where because at night my mind becomes more active. Yeah, more active than usual. During the day, I became sleepy and drowsy. It's like a bat, you know, where at night they're really active, like searching for food and stuff, but during the day mostly just rest. I'm Batman. All right. Now, let me open Blender first. Oh yeah. Didn't you asked for how I taper the lattices? Yeah. So let's see. Right. So. Oh, oops. I slept at 12 and almost 1 a.m. I always sleep well, then I have to wake up early. At least I can sleep. Well, I also sleep at 12 and 1 a.m. But yeah, maybe that's why it becomes harder for me to sleep, because I sleep really late all the time. Anyway, tapering a lattice. It's very simple. I just add the shape key, box select this, and then just scale it. I press S and just scale it. And I can scale it on, it's like on different axes. I need it to, like if I want only this side to be scaled, I could just scale, press Y, and there you go. It only gets scaled on the Y axis. And that's about it. There's nothing superly complex about the setup. I wonder if you can use simple deform. Ah, you can. Nice. Well, here's also an alternative. You want it to be like procedural, something like that. Like, let's give it a test. Lattice, select that. Now if yeah, it works. Yeah, can use simple deform as well. Let's see it earlier. Yeah, but how the subdivide? The subdivide is this thing. Oh yeah, you need to, well, to subdivide it, you need to remove all the shape key. So you need to set the subdivision before you add a shape key. Like, I want to add more resolution this side, this side, this side. There's also this option where it removes all the vertices inside. Or maybe, huh? I think it's just a visual thing. But yeah, you can enable that. So it show the outside. And that's about it. And when you add a shape key, the setting is disabled. So make sure you set the resolution before you add shape key. Yeah, that's about it. So today I will be working on rendering the sword model I made for Nick. And speaking of Nick, I just finished the render. Yeah. Let me show it here. Let's show the Blender file first. So here's the character render. Took me quite a lot of, well, not that much, but still some effort to make the pose. For one, the rope here is all manual, meaning that when I do the pose, I first I first disable all the rope stuff, adjust the leg, and once I done with the leg, I enable the rope back and manually set it up. Now, even if I like automate this with constraints and stuff. I don't think that it will be like a perfect setup because I found that adjusting this is a lot more difficult, like to make the shape look good. Yeah, and as you can see, I also did a lot of uh, perspective, forced perspective, forced perspective stuff. Like the arm here is detached, the sword is huge, and the the head is squished. And I done that using lattice. As you can see here. Do I have? No, it's. Oh, I do use lattice on the arms and body as well. If we remove this, is what it actually looked like. And here's with lattice. And I really love this new feature in 5.0 where you could just select item, Shift A, lattice, and you can add lattice to form to select it. And when you click this, all the item I selected got the lattice modifier set to the new lattice that you add. So that's nice. That makes it easier for me to like shape stuff with lattice, especially for hair modeling, because that's a big part, like big thing that I do when modeling hair. Like after I done all the shaping with the body bone rig, I then refine it using lattices and manually adding lattice modifier to each mesh strand is a pain. So yeah, this new feature makes it easier. Yeah, that's about it. Here's how it looked like in render. Now, rendering a character with white skin texture is also a pain. Like I can't really get the detail well. Like as you can see here, this part is quite dark. I want this part to be a lot more brighter, but if I like increase the strength of this part got blown out, and you can really see like where the snout part starts and ends. Well, with this is still not that visible, but you can make it out easier. So yeah, maybe I just not really that good at lighting yet. Oh yeah, and there's also a bunch of lights I use for the render here. What else? Don't know. Okay, let me read chat a bit. Then now you taper the subdivide lattice though. Oh, that's the same. I just use proportional editing set to linear. Or I could also just use that simple deform modifier. It showed me cube lattice with no subdivision on it. And you can change the position when you play on shape key. How would you taper the subdivide? Okay, that's the same thing. Oh yeah, just shape it using proportional editing. And also most of the time I don't really use like that much resolution. I usually just use the default to shape the lattice. Oh, but for a body though, that one needs quite a lot of resolution. Hey Kyanems, welcome to the stream. I'm currently just showcasing the render I just finished. Let me close this and open the game file. Where is it? It's in here. There we go. Render. Open with GIMP. Right. Usually this game takes a while to load, so yeah. So wait a bit. Oh, it's opening on my second monitor. Oops. No, that's my OBS window. Accidentally move it. Alright. Simple the form could work, but it will require more empty object for its anchor point, more file size. Oh yeah, and for lattice you can like change the origin because it will also change the formation. Well, just use some proportional editing. That's what I always use. Anyway, here's what the final render looks like. It's not complete yet. I still need to do some tweaking, but yeah. And I'm using the same background that I use on my previous render. Like, let me open the Explorer. Where is it? There you go. Oh wait, I haven't opened the browser. Oh yeah, the previous render I also did the same background here. Though I added a bit more detail, like the additional shape, and also the color is different. I don't know, I just I can't think of any other design for the background that I think would fit the render well. I just tried 5.0 beta. I was wondering why several functions of some bricks are like broken. Well, it's 5.0. I also experienced a lot of weird stuff there. What exactly is broken for you? Because for me, Android worked just fine. There's no issue. One part that I think could break is the scripting if you use scripts or add-on for the rig. Because 5.0 is there's a lot of stuff change for the scripting part. Hey Nikki, Nikki's the wife. Welcome to stream. How are you? I'm doing well, though a bit tired because I can't sleep last night. So I spent like the rest of the day sleeping, and I don't know, just more sleep. Don't use simple deform, it would just make it more a headache and more empty object to set anchor point. Chip game matters more clean manageable. Yeah. The one reason why I use simple deform is to make it like procedural and easily changeable. Like with that one, it's just a simple slider, but it's also quite limited. Yeah. Run your image through Gemini Nano for ideas. Thank you. Cool render. Ah, thanks. I'll release this tomorrow once I finish doing some tweaks. I hate when this happened. Like I click shift and the layer got rotated. Okay, I forgot. Is it on view? Flip and rotate. Ah, there you go. Damn it! I did it again. It's because the Blender stuff is messing up with the navigation here. I forgot that you just need to use middle mouse to move. Flip and rotate, reset. There you go. Cool. On X, well, on X, on Blue Sky, and on ArtStation, on those three platforms where I usually post. And also I also sometimes post on Blender Artist. In fact, my last Blender, the Fight Club one, got featured into like best of Blender Artist. Like, let me open the forum here. It's loading. Hold on. All right. So here is my post on Blender Artist, and look at that. I got featured on Blender Nation, Best of Blender Artist 2025, 43. Maybe it's like the number of submission. I don't know. But yeah, we got featured here. If you scroll down right at the bottom here, there you go. There's my render. That's nice. I also got featured a few times. Like, how do I check? Oh, maybe because I'm not logged in. Yeah. I also sometimes post here as well. So if you're on Blender Artist, go check it out. Maybe even leave a comment. Nice. Like the Wasabi Rig UI? Yeah. I don't know if, but something like Ice Cube will definitely break on 5.0, because that rig has a lot of scripts. Maybe even the new Squirt Media rig, because that also using an add-on system. I also slept during afternoon and I'm still tired. Didn't feel like working on rig at all, but I forced myself somehow. Same. Like, I'm really tired, and lately I've been like so tired that I really just want to spend my time sleeping on bed. But at some point I really need to do something, like, otherwise my day is wasted and yeah, didn't get anything. Since Blender driver are updated, what? Driver is also updated? I didn't see any like big driver change. Like, open projects here. I would like to follow your Blender Artist. Like your username. Well, over here, Entertainer 007. There. Why isn't it loading? Ah, there you go. 5.0. Firefox is so slow. Anyway, let's not waste any more time and actually do what I plan to do today, which is to make render. But yeah, I'll post this tomorrow. Done. I like the render. Ooh, thank you so much. Yeah, Ice Cube rig has a lot of script because it was made like an add-on. Can break later. That's why I managed to use one script only. I thought it would just be pain to manage. Yeah, that's also why I just use the autorun script inside of, like, originally on like Smooth Stone rig edit. I plan to make something like Ice Cube, where there will be an add-on that you install and you can just import the rig from the Shift A menu. But there's two problems. One is that, well, I can code. Well, not that complicated stuff. and also it will pain to manage because every time there's a breaking change, I need to first debug it, then fix it. And yeah, I prefer to keep things simple. All right. Enough chatting. Let's do some work. So. Let me open Blender again. Right. So here's the final sort model that I made here. And I think this looks quite good. Well, what else you say? Anyway, I'm gonna make a render of this just like all of my other stuff. Like, okay, let me open the history first. Alright, so as you can see, I made all of these renders as well. This is what I want to make today. But before I start, I need to gather a bit of like references, because I don't want to just reuse the same the same pose. Well, not pose, but yeah, the same look. So, well, unless I can find any ideas, so I'll make it the same. Okay. So I'm gonna check this website first. Let me check it real quick. It's like website that sells swords. I don't know if it's... No, I think it's a real sword. The sword turned out well. Yeah. I show it to Kudo, the one who commissioned me, and he liked it. And I also show the work in progress pose for the render is also really like it as well. Anyway, knives, dagger. You need sword, halberd. Wait, where's sword? Oh, over here. European sword. Let's see. No, actually, all of this look the same. I thought there would be a different pose. Well, I could make it like this. Or just like next to each other, like so. Anyway, most of these look the same. I'll just make it almost similar to this. Alright. After this, let's go back to Blender. Let's open a new scene. Okay, gonna delete this. PR. And the sort model should be in the make folder. And there we go. Final collection. There we go. Right. First, let's merge all of the object here into one. Go. Now let's post this. I would rather not making add-on from my rig, but if you really do it, you need someone to manage your add-on for you. Yeah, I mean, Ice Cube is not just made by Dark Lilo, there's also other people working on the rig. Like if you check the credits part, and you need to pay someone, or you could just ask for help. But for me, I think it's wait, this part is missing. I forgot to apply the mirror. Yeah, I think it's best to keep the rig simple, because the simpler the rig is, the easier to manage. Because if you have a super complicated rig, that doesn't really help you, and it makes it harder, well, for other things to render, to animate, right? I select the camera. Right? Just use one script, it will be fine. Yes, make it simple. Yeah, and that's also what I've been telling you a lot. Like, you shouldn't make your rig overly complicated in the beginning. Start by making a simple base rig first, and you add additional feature after that. That way, you get a finished rig. You don't have to deal with the headache of adding a feature and finding out that you either can make it or doesn't work. So yeah, keep it simple first. That's also the lesson I learned from working on rig, is that simple is better. Alright, this will be a short one. I think I'm gonna make like re-render, like one like this, and let me open the board again. Like on my other short render, there's like the main render and then two additional stuff, and of course a wireframe, because all my render has to have wireframes. Like if you go to here, for example, come on, like you get a render and then solid render with wireframe. Same thing with this one that I made, solid render, wireframe. Why I make these wireframe renders? Well, because I really like it. I don't know, it's just really cool. And also, oh, it doesn't show the likes here. But basically, when I check renders on or project on ArtStation, if they have like wireframe render like this, I instantly like them, because it's really cool. Yeah. So 3 render. One is the main one, and then a close up, and side by side, and a wireframe, of course. Right. Back to this. Well, that I sent you, I won't be working on that file anymore. Well, I'm only tweaking some stuff before I send it. Then I'll stop working on it. Alright, check it out later, off stream. Also, I hope that I won't get any like copyright with the background music here, because I'm playing Nintendo music. The last stream on Tuesday, it got a bunch of copyright, despite I'm using NCS music. Don't know why, but I suspect that those claims are probably fraudulent, or yeah, probably, because one of the music that got claimed is the Mudodi, I think, basically Fat Rat song. And from what I know, the Fat Rat song shouldn't be like copyrighted, like he always said it for free. Well, so long that you give credit, but it's part of the background music, so yeah. Oh, forgot to add crease to this edge crease. Oh yeah, I was going to suggest you should have like a video background music or something, but you managed to do it. Yeah, this is background video game background music. This one is from like, oh damn it, I reset the camera view. Well, I'll do it again. I don't forget to motion. The problem is that it's hard to find music that is video game music that is like calm. Like this Nintendo music is the only one that I know that is like chill and lo-fi. I don't know any other music that is like have the same vibe. I like this type of music. Yeah. Well, I also like the other type of music. This one is nice. All right. Should I do the? Well, let's do the lighting now. Go to film, set transparent, and add the light. Go 0.5. Right, shading, LLG, shot 1, sport. Actually, sword 1. No, that's 2. That's 2. There you go. Now add this here. Now this light will only light the sword. Better than NCS. Well, I like NCS too, but I guess for something like this, a much chiller, chill music is better. Should I add bevel? Let's see. Huh. Looks nice. Actually, much nicer. Like this one is hard. This one is softer. It should add bevel on the model once when I gonna release it. Let's see, shade smooth. Yeah, look much nicer. Right, note to myself. Let's put it on the sticky note here. Add bevel. Wait, this doesn't work. Add bevel to sword before sending. Here you go. Reminder. I want to chill stream and not just stream chaotic got missing like NCS. Just can't listen to that. It's annoying, lol. That's why it's like NCS. It's overrated and overused. Overuse. Yeah, I kind of get it though, because NCS music is like everywhere. Like anything gaming related NCS. Well, not always, but still. Okay, this is a nice lighting, simple. Right. Let's just duplicate this. I change the light link group. There we go. And this one I also add a level modifier. Oh, actually, let's just copy the one from here. Shade smooth. Yeah. I think it's better to set lighting from here. Yeah, there we go. Right, first first render set. Not just gaming, every tech tutorial use that thing. Don't want to point them out, sound a bit, I don't know, resting. Yeah, it's everywhere. I feel like I can't really see the edge wall. Maybe if I rotate it. There you go, much better. I can see the side better. I need to adjust this. Maybe dark is better, so I don't want it to be like super dark. There you go. I think this looks nice. Right. Oh yeah, did any of you realize this? That they added the timeline playback thing on other animation editor. So previously the timeline is removed, but they added it back. But they keep this, so you can view the dope sheet, and like the graph editor now have the footer here. All right, let's key all of this. Set. There you go. Press render, and also keep note of the resolution here. 980 times 1920. There you go. Right. Next pose will be the close-up one. If we open Explorer again, like the auto render that I made is the like close-up render of the handle here. And let's see if I do it on this wall. Yeah, you can close up render of the handle. Oh, let's do that. be using this one again. Let's set the timeline to 2 first. Right. 90, 180. There you go. Hold on. It's better to set it to active element. No. Individual origin, perhaps. But then it will rotate like that. Okay, how do I... Well, let's just do this. First, rotate like this, and then rotate it like so. Not too much. Alright. Here's the pose for the second render. Let's adjust the position, make it a bit bigger here. 1160. It's another. Let's just delete this. Alright. I want Blender the ability to add like a note so you can write like text reminder of your work or description describing those objects. Someone requested this feature. Well, you could just use the text editor to add like small notes, but I think I also saw an add-on for that, though it's for the shader editor. Basically, when you open the shader editor or note editor in general, there's like this sticky note where you can put like information and stuff. Yeah. Let's adjust this so it's centered. There we go. And adjust the sheet here, the scabbard. Right. Also, just in case Blender decided to Kahoot itself, let's save. F_O. Make sort render. There you go. Huh? Nothing indicated. What? Save as. There you go. The node can be anywhere. It can be on modifier, on keyboard, or any tab. Well, I don't know if that will be useful because too much node and it get cluttered easily. So I need to remove the bevel on this one. Right, let's select all of this. Add bevel weights. Oops, remove that, and this as well. Add bevel weight. Now the bevel could be set to weights. Now I can select. I wonder why. This part is invisible, but it acts like it's still a solid part, so I cannot like navigate if I like shift middle click here. But if I shift middle click here, it can move. It's weird. Let's just use this part. There you go. Anyway, let's just remove that. Makes it harder for me to work. I just use this to remove the weight there. Right, nice. Just want to add description on my object so don't forget. Otherwise, I could just document the entire rig separately. Yeah. I don't really put any notes on my rig. I just use my memory. Maybe that's why it's easy for me to like forget how a feature works because, well, I don't remember how the hell I set it up like back then. Wait. I want to make it a bit dramatic here. Maybe like so. No. Let's just keep it simple. Like so. There you go. That looks nice. Keyframe this as well. Now if we cycle through, it changes. Damn it! I forgot to keyframe the camera too. Now I need to set the camera position again. Yeah. I forgot. Okay, M to add a marker. Alright. In 80. Let's just set the position from here. Align the camera view. Let's do it in solid because it's lagging. There you go. Camera position 2. There you go. Nice. I think I finished mirroring the elbow. Cause it's so hard to manage. I hope you see what I'm saying when I send you the file. Mirroring. You mirror using the symmetrize. For me, one problem with symmetrize is that it doesn't mirror the driver as well. Like it mirror the constraints well most of the time, but not the driver. So for like the IKFK switch and the wrist and other stuff, you need to manually copy driver from each like constraints I set and paste it to the other side. Oh, yeah. I feel like this needs to be a bit more brighter. Yeah, like so. Keyframe that. Nice. The last final render will be the one with the pulse sword. So if we open this one, there's the side-by-side render of the sword. So yeah, let's make that. Let me open another pack of gum. I bought 2 pack of double mint here, and I already ate like 1 whole pack, so I only have 1 more. Man, I really wish that we could get double mint more easily, because I really like this gum. Well, for one, it's cheap, so you can easily buy. And also, just really like the taste. Make sword 2. And just color it. Duplicate this. Put it here. Alright. Scabbard, you go all the way here, because I don't need you for this part. And you 2 sword. Reset the position. Symmetrize works well, but not well enough. The reason I restart is because I already know how to rig the face from start to finish. I need to make a proper plan for this. Scabbard, you need to go to the side a bit. Right. I'm gonna shape this. Let's do this. Same as before. There you go. Let's back it closer. Maybe even rotate it a bit like this. No, it doesn't look good. There you go. Make sure to keyframe the camera this time. Oh yeah, also need to move this away from here. Move this one. Right. Let's duplicate this. Move it to the other collection. I still use the file that I already rig and remake everything. It's annoying because I keep changing the bone names because of the feature I keep adding. I'm exhausted after that. Yeah, also did the same there, where whenever I added more stuff, I need to also read the like naming and stuff, especially with the mouse rig there, because there's a lot of part. Well, not just the mouse rig, snout rig. There you go. That one has many different sides. It's like confusing to how should I set the naming for it. Like there is the bottom part, the top part, and there is the front, back, sides. Like, how do I set it up so it makes, at least makes sense somewhat, but also make it easier for people to know. Right, there you go. Naming is so tiring, man. It's so stressed. Yeah. I mean, when I do the snout rig, I think I rename it like 3 times before I finally set up with what I'm currently using. Test. The hell happened there? Keep getting this weird issue with the microphone. Right. Okay, this is the first one. There you go. Next, the second sword. Yeah, I think this is good. Keyframe that. Move this away. There you go. That should be it for the renders. What happened to your Mac? I heard you disconnect the screaming law. I don't know. Maybe an issue with the cable? No, the cable shouldn't make something like that. It's a weird periodical thing. Like after a while, it will happen again. Right. Do a bit of compositing here. Exposure, and then I need to append the contrast node I made. Where do I put it? Oh yeah, here. There you go. Okay, the contrast, and then hue saturation. There you go. Up the exposure a bit, or not a bit, it's quite a lot. And up with the contrast as well. 0.3, 0.7. And then we up the saturation. Be 1.1. No. There you go. I feel like it's a bit too bright there. No, actually, this is good. Right. Right. I need to readjust the lighting, or maybe compositing. Let's keyframe this. There you go. I think this looks nice. This one needs to be a bit more brighter. Like so. Might also need to readjust the lighting because it's so bright here. The blade got overblown. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, I need to keyframe this as well because I readjusted. Nice. Alrighty. Let's save. Just gonna steal ice cube eye texture and put it on my eye object as a preview. Well, I don't know. Just don't like use it on your final rig. Anyway, let's just do the render. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's the third render, but this one doesn't need lighting. You just need the sort here for solid render. This one goes way here. Same with the lighting. Ah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Just to push in a bit, and that's about it. Right. Let's start rendering. Oh, oops! Oh, forgot that to add a marker here. What happened there? There you go. Alright. 980. Ah, I remember. I changed the lighting strength on this one. I need to reset this to 10 again. Same with this one. Right. Let's save first and render. This won't take long because it's well, just a simple render. And I'm tired. I don't want to work on anything right now. So the one naming destroyed me. I have to restart everything. Well, just take a bit of break then. You feel much better when working again later. Oh yeah, the render is done. But you can't see it here, so let's image editor render result. There you go. Save as. Sort A. There we go. Alright. Next render. This one will be 1160 render image. Dude, I think I'm going insane. Shift A to add a bone, and then I didn't see any bone at all. But it exists somewhere. Maybe you import it into a bone collection that's disabled. Because I did that all the time, where I shift A, add a bone, and the bone disappeared. But it's because I have a bone collection that's disabled, and I added the new bone there. I don't know. Okay, so B. $39.50. Oh, this one's so big that need to be split into two. Oh, it was off screen. The cursor is on world origin. I didn't see it. I'm dying. All right. Uh, 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 uh. Uh, I didn't rhyme. I didn't rhyme again. Right, that's done. Save as. Sort D. Right. The last render will be in solid view. So object, wireframe. There we go. Is it because? Oh yeah, it's because of the bevel. Alright, this one I need to set the color to standard and disable in compositing. View, viewport render preview. There we go. Save as, sort D. Save as image. There we go. That's all the render. Yes, the Wii music. Legendary. No one serious can be compared to this. Like, I heard it a lot from memes. I never really know where it's from until I listen to this playlist. Like, oh, that's where the meme song is from. Right. The render is done. Now I can start working on the editing in game. Let me open them then. Right. Let's close Blender and the open game. I need to open the one of my render so I can copy the color of the background. There you go. Let's open the other render as well. New layer, put it down, and do the rest. There you go. Let's adjust the color a bit more. Oh no, that's the background. There you go. Adjusting the exposure. 0.6, 0.005. I feel like it's a bit too contrasty. So maybe 0.03. Yeah, 0.02. Yeah, it's nice. What about saturation? I think saturation is good. No, that's the background again. It's a bit too bright there. 0.4. There we go. It's too bright. Too bright. There we go. He doesn't know. Yeah. I mean, I heard it a lot of music from memes, but I don't really know where it's from. There you go. There are so many video games out there. You know, you can use a lot of video game playlist background music for your stream. You have option to choose. Yeah, maybe I just haven't spent the time to find them. You know, it would be hard to find them. Yeah, yes. Don't really spend the time to search for any yet. There you go. Put it to 1. Let's save this and render it. Export as, sort A, render, export. There you go. They aren't copyright claim though. Why copyright claim when game can be bought and owned, so it would make sense copyright claim it? Well, actually I don't know. I just hope that this stream won't get any copyright. I doubt it, but at least I hope there won't be a lot of copyright claim, because the NCS one on Tuesday got a bunch of copyright. Like it took me a whole day just to select and erase the songs. Also, why can't I hear from my other earbud? I'm having issue with my earbud right now. There's this like weird thing with my earbud where it won't making any sound. My guess is that it's dirty. Like the dust filter here is soaked with wax from my ear, and well, I'm not that disgusting. I do clean my ear. Maybe it's just build up over time that is. Okay, now I can hear from my earbud once again. I need to find a replacement. I don't know much about this, so they don't take it as the truth. Alright, save this. There you go. Let's put it here. Oh, hold on. I need to resize this first. What? Your earbuds are full of what? What did you mention that on stream? Comment. Sorry there. Here you go. Yo, Brian, welcome to the stream. I'm currently finishing up the render here, editing it in game. Let's save this and export it. There we go. One more. Oh yeah, I need to set the scale first. Okay. There we go. Save as. Export. Thank you. Good. I always like this music. The jazz is just the kind of music that absolutely chill. You like jazz? Yeah, I like it. I mean, one of my favorite soundtrack is the one from Persona 5. That one is just real good. Right, the render is done. Let's check the result. Open with. There we go. Nice. What do you think? Does it look good? Just French music. 33. Look good. Hi Nick. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I'm currently rendering the short model, but also still need to do some tweaking, but mostly done with the render here. Let me show it. Where is it? Wait, not that one. Where is it? Is it this one? No, that's the skin texture. There we go. Yeah, here's the final result. Well, not final. As I said, I still need to do some tweaking here. But yeah, here's how the render look like. What do you think? Anyway, let's check the other render as well. Here we go. Here's the other render. I think this one looks good. The only one that I think have a bit of a problem is this one, because this area here is quite overblown by the light here. But overall, I think this one looks quite good. Yeah, thanks. Here's the wireframe render. All of my render needs to have wireframe render. Wait, I misclicked it. There we go. Delicious wireframe. Test, test. See, I told you it will happen again. Don't know what happened there. Keep happening like periodically. Like after I stream for a while, the audio will like come like so. What the heck? I don't know. There's no way it's from the setup. Because if for my setup, there will be a trigger, and I didn't touch the microphone, didn't touch my computer, but besides whatever on desktop here. What's wrong with your Mac? Her demons. Well, to be honest, this is the microphone I'm using is quite a cheap microphone, so don't expect like crazy high quality, high definition audio for my voice. I'm planning to replace someday, but the problem is that a proper microphone is super expensive. Like the one I want to have, the Rode PodMic USB, costs like 3 million rupiah, not $3 million. What kind of microphone? $3 million. But yeah, it costs a lot of money, so I won't be upgrading until sometime. I need to save up money first. Plus, I need to spend on other things that is more important, like my phone, for example. My phone is lagging a lot. Well, it does make sense though, because my phone is like 5 years old. I bought it when I was high school and still using it till today, and it started to show its age. Yeah, need to get new phone soon. Won't be anything too expensive. I just need something that could make call and search the internet. And I'm not the kind of person that like to play games on my phone, so that's good. Did you record the Expedition 33 gameplay? Unfortunately, no. I played it on my spare time, like off stream. I didn't. But maybe once the new update came out, I will do like a stream, like playing the game again. That will be nice. Playing the game again. Ooh. Can't wait. Righty. That's about it, I guess, for like today's stream. I could continue. It's still like 9:29 and not 8:29 p.m. right now. But as I said on the beginning of the stream, I'm quite tired, and I need to get proper sleep tonight. Otherwise, I fucked up even more. So yeah, I guess I'll end the stream here for today. I'll post this render later. I will definitely post the Nick render first tomorrow. Yeah, looking forward to the update. I also use my phone since high school as well. Yeah, like there's a lot of people that upgrade their phone like every single year. Like, well, for me, I don't have that kind of money. If I have a lot of money, I probably will do the same. But it's also like, why though? Like, unless you're playing like some AAA game on your phone, like you don't really need the latest and greatest. Just need something that could take phone calls, send text messages, and browse the internet. That's about it. You don't need anything super fancy. Well, also if you do like a lot of like proper photo and video stuff, you might need to get something with a better camera. Yeah, that's about it. Don't really need expensive stuff. Alrighty. I have the same phone for 5 years as well. No, yeah. But my phone is currently dying, so I need to find a new one. Anyway, that's about it. I'll see you again next week on Tuesday, because yeah, new stream schedule. But Let's see if I can do the Tuesday stream. Anyway, uh, making this longer than it should. Bye. No, I will not use an iPhone. I'm not getting into that. Hell no.